Hi, this is Ashish and welcome to another English lesson on Succeed. This English lesson is all about the difference between averse and adverse. Adverse is often used mistakenly to mean averse, but adverse has a totally different meaning. Adverse turns up mostly in the phrase adverse circumstances, meaning difficult circumstances. For example, he succeeded despite adverse situations. Averse means having a strong feeling against or aversion to something. For instance, he is not averse to the idea of free publicity like everyone. If you found value in this video, then please hit the like button and share this with your friends. Also, leave your thoughts on the topic in the comments below. If you're watching this on Facebook, then please like my page. And if you're watching this on YouTube, then do consider subscribing to my channel for more such updates in the future. Until next time, bye-bye.